So what you can also do is you can work around with motion tracking inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So for that, I'm going to go around and bring in a footage right here. So let's just go around onto my video footage right here. And let's say I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say, for example, this walking footage itself. And I'm going to go around and bring in the video over here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to track this person who is walking from left to right here. I want to do the motion track of it. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here in effects, and here you can see motion tracking is an option right here. So it says select object right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and click on it, and I'm going to go around over here and draw a box around this person right here. And then I simply need to go around and click on track object, and it's tracking the object, as you can see right here. So now if I were to go around, you can see that the person is being tracked out. The line is being tracked out right here. So you can add in thought bubbles right here, and you can add in other animated objects right here, and so forth, whatever you like. Let me just go around over here onto thought and speech right here. And let's say I'm going to go around over here and add in this. So let's just go around and add in this right here. So it's being downloaded, as you can see. And I'm going to go around and add in text, I am walking right here, just like this, and click OK. So once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. I can go around and resize this up right here, and it says I am walking, just like this. And if I were to go around and press the play button right here, just like this, you can see that I'm walking is added in along with the person walking right here, just like this. So press done, and this is the end result. So you can see that this is the beginning. You press the play button over here, then you see I am walking right here, and the person is walking out right here, and that's with the object, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with motion tracking inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.